We are going to make some fluffy hot milk cakes, also known as pancakes. These are so simple and so delicious with just a couple of easy ingredients. Let's get started. We're going to take some self-raising flour, pop that into a bowl. Then we're going to crack in 1 egg. I always like to use the back of a knife. Take your thumbs, pull it apart. And then our delicious milk. Whisk everything together. There's little lumps. The lumps are fine. Beautiful. Now we're going to heat up our pan, a little bit of oil and butter or a little bit of spray oil. Now that the pan is hot, we're going to pop on the pancake mixture. I've got a scoop or a spoon. 1 scoop, 1 pancake. Look how it holds that shape. We'll know the pancakes are ready to be flipped when they slide on the pan a little and these little bubbles start forming on the top. Golden on one side, flip them over and cook them on the other side. See these bubbles? That's what we were waiting for. Let's flip. Oh, beautiful. Watch how when you flip, it puffs up. These look delicious. I cannot wait to make my pancake stack. Look at this. What are your favorite pancake toppings? I like banana, I like honey, and I think I'm going to add a couple of berries as well. I'm so excited for these. Some banana. Does your stack look like the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Oh, a blackberry. Delicious. My favorite, blueberries. How yum do these look? Our fluffy hot milk cakes, also known as pancakes.